Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then click OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android one. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Asus. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Finally, after hitting Got It, pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. If you prefer, you can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide, closing an ad and selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, then pointing your camera at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.